How to turn on or off silent notifications on Android. So if you want to turn on or off the silent notifications, then you can simply scroll downwards, and here you will have the WhatsApp notification, right? So let me tell you one thing, that you can't silent all of the notifications, like all apps notifications at once. You have to do that separately. So I'll be showing you the WhatsApp notification. You can do that with all the other apps. It is similar. You can simply hold on that notification, and here you will have priority, default, or silent option, right? You can simply tap on silent, and then you can tap on apply, which is on the bottom right, and that's it. That's how you silent your notifications. And if you want to unsilent that, or if you want to turn off, then you can again tap on that notification, and then you can tap on default, and you can again tap on apply, and that's it. That's how you turn on the silent notifications or turn off the silent notifications on Android. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.